My name is Cherie, and I work at the Lamanda Park branch of the Pasadena Public Library, and I would like to welcome you to our Black History Month program about Freedom Quilts. And after this program, you're going to get a chance to be a part of the Lamanda Park Library Freedom Quilt project. You can pick up your own square, create your square, and bring it back, and we will display it on our big quilt in our window. All right, have you seen a quilt before? I'm sure you have. Maybe you even know someone that sews quilts, or maybe you might have a quilt on your bed. Quilts are blankets that are used to keep us warm, right? Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit of information about Freedom Quilts. Now, this story about Freedom Quilts has been around for a long, long time. Can you guess how many years? Not 10, more than 50. This story has been around for over 100 years. That's a long time. This story has been passed down throughout the years, from different people to different people, generations and generations, and it's very important. Many people believe in the story about Freedom Quilts, but some people don't, and this story really hasn't proven to be true. Freedom Quilts were just no ordinary quilts. Guess what? These quilts had secret messages written on them, sewn on them for the slaves so they could escape safely to freedom using the Underground Railroad. Now, these quilts, they said they hung them on the fences and on porches, and the slaves memorized the patterns so they could safely escape to freedom. But what is true though is that after slavery ended in the United States, African Americans developed their own style of quilting. And this style can still be seen today. And it's a very important part of history. And some of these quilts have even been in the Smithsonian Institute. And they are considered a work of art.